Hi, it's me again with laser tips and tricks, and this is about a new product from Enduramark, the makers of marking metal, but now they've added to their line to mark glass and ceramic. And this is going to be a game changer. The detail in this is incredible. I think it's even better. The picture does it no justice. I think it's even more detailed than the wood because nothing burns away. It only marks what it is. This is a 40-cent tile from Home Depot, just a white tile that I sprayed with their product. Let it dry for just a couple of minutes. It almost dries. You can watch it dry as you're spraying it on. I mean, they call it charcoal, but I'm calling it black. I mean, that is black. Now, I met the gentleman, or I saw the gentleman in Las Vegas, and he was introducing this product, and he had a couple of pieces that he had frosted the glass first, and then sprayed it with Enduramark, and then put it back in the laser, and it kind of makes him stand out. Now, my picture of just on straight glass is terrible because the reflection of the glass, it's hard to take a picture of glass. Right this second, they have a 25% discount, but this is February 28th of 2020, so that will be gone soon. So if you watch my video 2 months from now, that might not be true. So give them a try, and hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.